What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to trade items in Where Winds Meet. If you want to start trading bowls or any other tradable items in the game, whether it's with friends or even players you have met through chat, let me quickly walk you through how it works. The trading system is actually pretty simple, but the option is a bit hidden at first, so it's easy to miss. First, make sure you are switched into the online mode. This is important because you need to be able to see other players around you before trading is possible. Just follow the steps to enter the online mode. Once you are there, find the friend or player you want to trade with. Once you are close to them, look above their name and you'll see a button prompt. If you are playing on keyboard, the default key is G. Pressing this will open the interaction menu for that player. From here, scroll down just a little until you see the exchange option. Select it and a trade request will be sent to the other player. As soon as they accept the request, the trade window opens and you can start exchanging bowls or any other tradable items you have. That's all there is to it. Once you know where the option is, trading becomes quick and easy anytime you want. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.